The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga was conspicuously absent on Thursday at Morris Depot, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa officiated a pass-out parade for graduating police officers. Sanapena mashoko obudanyuka pana since aiwa Chiwenga missing a white police event not was subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamudanyura chiti. Chiwenga was the only high-profile official from the Presidium who was not available at the event, raising fresh speculation about the ongoing power struggles within ZANU-PF. The event was attended by key government officials, including Chiwenga's co-vice president, Kembo Mohadi, Defense Minister, Opam Chingul, State Security Minister, Lavmumba Truke, Higher Education Minister, Frederick Shava, and the Mashonaland and Central Provincial Affairs, Christopher Magomo, among others. Security chiefs were also present, alongside the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZAC chairperson, Michael Reza, and Postal and Telecommunication Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe, POTRAS, Director General, Dr. Gift Machengete. 907 police officers graduated at the ceremony, with 624 males and 283 females completing their training. However, Chiwenga's absence overshadowed the proceedings as speculation over the relationship with Mnangagwa continued. Chiwenga's no-show at Thursday's event is not an isolated occurrence, but part of a growing part of absences from key state functions presided over by Mnangagwa. These absences have fueled speculation about a widening rift between the two former allies, with analysts suggesting Chiwenga is strategically distancing himself from Mnangagwa's administration. Chiwenga played a decisive role in the 2017 coup that ousted former President R.J. Mugabe. Thomas Kwanobuda panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa, why is it generally amongst aiwa high profile leaders vakanga varipo anokuwanikwa aiwa asipo pane